Hey guys, my sawmill's 5 years old, and they all require maintenance. And something I've been looking for was those cool blocks or the ceramic guides. And I talked to Norwood, and I ended up picking up the complete sawmill kit, all the repair items, and I'm glad I did. It comes with belts, both belts, cables, all your bearings and guides, and some new sponges in there. So I would recommend. I wish I would have gotten this a long time ago when I first bought the mill. So if you're going to buy a mill, make sure you get something like that. That way you won't be out of service. Because right now, my mechanic over here, Nick, is taking out the ceramics.
Hey guys.
And
I'm just going to take the blade off a little bit so we can get this, get them ceramics out. So we've took the, we've undone the two holding screws that are on here with the 10mm wrench or spanner, and we're just going to push them out of the bottom or the top, whichever way they can come out comfortably. But they're being a bit of a chew because they've got a bit of build up, of course, but we'll get there. So yeah, these unfortunately have come to the end of their life, which is a shame. They obviously wear down. You can see that. Can you see that, Jerry?
Oh yeah.
And you know, when you wear these down, they just don't get enough purchase on the screw there, the set screw that's keeping them in. So we were right at the bottom.
At the end of
there.
the life. Yeah, excellent. Let's go get those other ones.
Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft, and got my friend again today behind me, Nick back there. He's setting up his camera.
Yes,
we had to do some work on the sawmill today. We had to take the blade guide off. I ran a little problems. Very fixable. I'll have the part back tomorrow, but we're gonna try something here. We took the blade guide off. We're gonna just cut it. If the band's true and running well, we should be fine. What it was a linear bearing that runs the blade guide back and forth. Finally gave up the ghost after 5 years. I'm not upset about it because what I paid for that mill, it's it far exceeds my expectations of how long that thing should have lasted. So we'll just go with it.
I'm going to share you my footage as well, because I've got that on the start of my video, haven't I? So if you want to see, well, you know, share footage there, but
check out his channel. You'll see we break the whole linear bearing apart.
There's nothing left of it there.
It held up for 100,000 board feet. So, but we're gonna get this going. We got white oak, dry white oak. Let's see how it goes, guys.
Yeah. Let's go. And I'm going to be your amazing swamper again.
All right.
Yeah, I'm not fully familiar with your system, so I don't want to F up.
I have an emergency. All right.
I feel like we may as well put me to work, and you just take it easy. Let's
Let the body heal.
Let's have the youth doing the jobs for a change.
Okay, I'll go with that.
Yeah. If I start seeing any fluttering, any juttering of the blades, because it's obviously too far apart from the span, I think we're going to call it.
Nothing else to rattle, bearing.
About consistent foot,
Yeah. Very good. Great ball. Yesterday, might have been a lot of our problems. Then the little they could to get lined up that blade and cause a problem. There's no knobs in there. That's why the knobs. Oh.
guys, that'll do it for this video. We decided we're gonna just stop it. We're getting a little bit of waves. It's a long span, but I think, you know what? I actually want to measure that.
Yep, sure. There you go.
What have we got here? So we're probably close to 25 inch. Well, actually, technically, we'd be coming right off the wheel, wouldn't we? That's my whole watering hose, guys. So off that wheel, we're at 32 inch free span right there to the center of close to the center of that wheel.
It's a lot. It's a lot. I mean, it's tensioned. It's tracking really well, but that's a lot of span.
And this is really hard wood. And where the knots are, we started getting a couple dives. And we're always going to have a few knots in these oaks. These aren't veneer oaks, so we don't want to wreck any more wood.
No.
So we have that linear actuator coming tomorrow. You guys, I've mentioned it before. I'm trying to wear this mill out, and it's going to probably wear me out before, but I just bought 2 linear actuators for, linear guide bearings.
Linear guide bearings, yeah.
For $37 for 2 of them. And we're able to source exactly what we need. Now, Norwood, I'm sure will carry these, but I need them tomorrow, basically. We want to get back to work.
Yeah, you've got me for a week. And
yeah.
I've said, you know, the part and parcel of me coming here was use me, abuse me. I'm not bothered.
And
put me to work.
We're going to make that happen tomorrow, that's for sure. So we're actually going out on Lake Michigan today in a little while, but we're going to be done with this. It is what it is. It happens.
We don't want to waste any more good wood.
Right.
You know,
and we've mentioned, like earlier, I mentioned about the importance of having the spare parts. I didn't have that part. That part's not in the maintenance package from Norwood.
Yep.
And probably nobody uses this mill and crushes it like I do. I mean, I'm sure there's other people, but you've seen what I do on this mill. I really have.
You've
tested it.
You've put it to the long-term test.
Yep.
You know, and we've changed. So Jerry was on about the maintenance package this morning. Sorry, I feel I'm repeating myself here. We did a really good outro, and Jerry's gone and forgot to press record. But Jerry showed the importance of having the maintenance package this morning, the maintenance kit, and whilst I was replacing them ceramics, noticed that his guide block was the guide bearings and everything was too loose, and it's not meant to be like that. It's not designed to be like that. So let's get it changed.
It done right.
And unfortunately, I think Jerry's going to say, no, you can stay at home next time because you just keep breaking my mill. I'm not breaking it. I'm just seeing things now.
That's the beauty of having somebody else who's a sawyer and another set of eyes.
Yeah.
When I go to the UK, I'm going to look and just scratch my head and say, "What are you doing, Nick?" I'm sure the same thing's going to happen.
Sure. Yeah.
So it's nice having them here. Somebody who's got some experience on the exact same mill. You're just looking at something at a different angle.
We had the same conversation out on another video and outside of thing. You know, when we're talking, just that experience of another sawyer.
That's right.
Is amazing. And it can work smoothly.
So guys, if you like this content, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment, don't forget to share it with a friend. You don't really have to do any of that, but what you do have to do is you got to go check out Every Day with Me, Nick, on his channel. I'll leave a link in the description. He's going to get different angles of this, different topics about what we're doing as well. We're not doing the exact same stuff.
Yeah, my format's different to yours. Right. I'm sort of just like a fly video, like kind of guy.
Yeah. So make sure you check it out. Fantastic. I met Nick online 5 years ago with these OS-27.
No, 3.5 years ago.
3.5, 4 years. Yeah,
something. Yeah.
That's how we met. We just started chatting on WhatsApp, and we converse at least once a week. Video chat and stuff like that, and how things going, and our experience with the mill, and
asking of the family as well. You know,
now we talk family talk.
It's not just work.
No, now we're friends, good friends, and that's the beauty of YouTube, man. We get a chance to interact
just explaining
with a lot of
that, talking about that this morning, weren't we? Saying how YouTube has created a community that has been able to allow people from all over the world to be able to form friendships, relationships, and this opportunity.
I would have never met this cat if it wasn't for YouTube. Just wouldn't have happened.
Dead right.
All right, guys, we'll see y'all here at the Woodyard next time.
See y'all.
Hey, guys, I'm operating this ship here, and I got Nick with me as well.
Hold on, guys.
Who knows what's going on? I've never done this before, so
Yep.
I'm going 100 miles, I guess, that way until I hit land.
So,
My boat.
so we're on Lake Michigan. There's Bryce behind us. This is his vessel, his yacht.
Yes.
Yeah. And Jerry's at the helm. Kind of scary because
Yeah,
he's.
I see a boat coming. So
I mean, you've got 100 miles to miss this boat.
I'm probably the only boat in the lake.
And yeah, we're. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
And we are in Grand Haven, Michigan.
Grand
Just so you
Haven,
know,
Michigan.
That's where we're
Yeah.
at.
Lake Michigan, the biggest freshwater lake.
Second.
Second. Okay.
Lake Superior is the biggest.
Oh, of course, yeah. Amazing, guys, absolutely amazing. I can't, you know, I'm looking over the horizon here, and there's nothing. There's no landmass. There is no landmass.
This is about where we jumped out last
Amazing.
year, Bryce, wasn't it?
Gee, guys.
Everybody jumped off of the way. Yep, tell Jerry that. Oh, the buoys, yeah. So on the green thingies, what side do you stay on? Left or the right?
Look at this guy, thinks he's got balls as big as a ball.
Yeah, so what side on the red?
Alright, so I'm holding on.
Very good. So stay in between them, right? Yep. Correct. So what if you're going the other way?
As long as that big,
Yeah, when you come back,
it's got no top notch, but it's just going back. So
it'll be on the other side, right? Right, return?
No.
That's how I was figuring.
No, the reason they do that so you can fall off, you know, if you're in,
I don't want to
if you're not in
drink.
control. Safe, right?
So do you know any kids in the marina yet?
I'm telling you,
Yeah, I figured you did.
like on the
You got a few friends.